decided to start out this video driving it like I did because it's kind of a pretty good way to get a before and after, right? I finally came up with a 331 ring and pinion. So in this video we're going to change it, but I'm not going to do a how-to on that. I don't want to show how to set it up, because like most things I do, there's better ways to do it. So I'm just going to do it and then show you what it looks like, and then let you hear it. So alright, so I did this to try to show you, but I'm not sure you can see what I'm saying. This is drive side. That's white lithium grease. Here's the pattern on the drive side, and here is the pattern on the coast side. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a good, almost full tooth pattern. And now I'm going to put the cover back on it. Alright, quiet as it can be. It's actually quiet enough in here now that I can tell the transmission has a little bit of a whine, but it's like a new car. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think. After I drive the car some, I'm going to get 2 axles and some bearings and change that. But for right now, this is just letting that gear run in and stuff. I like changing the grease after, say, 100 miles anyway. So I'll see you again next time. Bye. Took me a few minutes to realize the parking lights aren't on the front when the headlights are on, and they're not supposed to be. Those didn't stay on with the headlights until 1968. You learn something new every day.